Proofing has full cutting, half cutting, slotting, creasing, CCD automatic positioning and other functions, equipped with vibration knife, bevel knife, milling cutter, pressure wheel and other tools, which can easily cope with various cutting needs. The cutting edge is flat and smooth, without sawtooth, burr, black edge and good consistency. It can cut corrugated paper, honeycomb board, cardboard, gray board, hollow board, acrylic board, KT board, printing plate, chevron board, self-adhesive and other materials. At the same time, it is equipped with high-precision bottom mold function, adopts automatic tool changing technology, and 5 types of knife heads can be replaced freely. Automatic tool setting, simple operation, fast cutting speed, high stability, high precision and high efficiency. The proofing and bottom mold functions are integrated, which truly achieves dual purpose of one machine. It greatly improves the utilization rate of the equipment while reducing the floor space and saving costs for you. The two functions can be switched freely and can be disassembled and installed.